I'm Don with 323 Link, and I want to talk about one of the biggest problems we have as small to medium-sized businesses. What we found one of our biggest problems to be was our phone systems and how we dealt with that and the cost of that and the internal resources required. And I'm here to tell you we've got a solution for that. And it's probably not what you think, but we do have a very good solution for it. And it's what's called UCaaS, which is Unified Communications as a Service. This is when we transition these communications out to the web, because let's face it, traditional hardware and having to deal with vendors that come in and come into our closet and have to add the new phone system cards and drop in for new phone sets and all the things that come along with that and the expense, they're just pretty absurd considering the technologies available today. Also, as you're trying to grow your business, that's the last thing you need to deal with is what do we need to do to expand the phone systems. That should be something you don't have to deal with, and you don't have to have internal people deal with. They can deal on things that are much more productive. So the problem with this is normally we put in phone systems that are too small. If we put in one that's bigger, it's very expensive and it's not expandable, and you have to forklift upgrade. Within 3 to 5 years, typically you're going to have to do other upgrades. In some cases, you may have one employee and have to pay $20,000 to expand your phone systems. And this is just not how it's done now. So a couple of years ago, we got into unified communications, which we've technically been in that for, I've been in it almost 20 years, but now moving everything to the cloud. So this would include your email services, your auto attendant, your PBX services, all your extensions, everything are all connected there, your fax, chat, video conferencing, web conferencing, all of this stuff is tied together at a super low cost per person. And now it's got unlimited scalability. So it makes even more sense, and it gives you a Fortune 1000 type phone system for very little money. This is the way to go. Large companies today are moving this way as well. So the whole point of starting the business was to grow in the first place. So as I add new offices, as I move to a new space that's larger so I can accommodate more employees, this type of platform allows me to not have to go forklift stuff out of a closet and move it to a new location. I can literally just get an internet connection there and I turn that up. And it's just that simple. All the existing services are set, and they're all set to the hardware you're migrating to that new location. Home workers, things like this can be turned up within minutes, and a non-technical person can set this up through a web interface in minutes. So it's very simple to grow your business with this type of platform. So the problem is really solved by taking all that hardware and the things you're dealing with physically on site, and we just put them out in the cloud. We utilize that internet connection. In many cases, we expand your internet connection, which also gives you faster speeds for your employees, which they always will be complaining there's not enough speed there on the internet. It also allows us to reduce all of your cost, reduce the internal requirements for your staff and IT people. As you finally add that IT staff, they're not just pulled into the phone system world. They can focus on other things that help you generate more clients and more business. This also can accommodate your help desk and record all of that content just like larger providers or larger companies can. And so, again, it has that unlimited scalability. Now, keep in mind, what people are doing is they are, in many cases, not even putting in handsets anymore, even large companies. This system allows you to take your laptop or a laptop and phone or a tablet. You can go anywhere in the world, a coffee shop or anywhere. You have the exact same connectivity, connections, and interface experience that you would have in the office. So it gives you full flexibility to move anywhere and work anywhere. But also, many people are just using a headset with their computer to dial directly out from their computer. So instead of dialing numbers, it's a one click and they're connected. The call can be recorded if you'd like. Everything's documented. You have full reporting on all your calls going out, so you'll know if your sales team's calling people. That's regardless if it's cell phone or if it's there on their computer. You have reports on all of this stuff. So it's a fantastic platform. There's several platforms available, but let us know. We can set up a quick 10-minute phone call or a quick 10-minute video call on one of these platforms to just talk about if we're a good fit, if we can save your company money and take your communication systems to the next level. Thanks for checking out UCaaS and 323 Link, and we look forward to talking to you. Thanks.